Thought I would share this view this morning. Early May. Everything's pretty green. Horses are out in the field. Just like a couple moments of zen. Birds are. Let's see them in the birdhouse. Put the birdhouse up. Oh, there we go. Put it up about 2 years ago. Now it's like Bird Central in there. Exactly which kind of birds. Trying to see if the wind was pushing the chimes around. It was pretty. Of course, when I get my camera out, no wind. Just put part of the course right. These guys have got a long day of eating ahead. Fields are looking pretty good. Got the riding ring all harrowed. Beautiful day in the country. Enjoy.